What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to this update on Ethereum. We'll talk about Ethereum purely technically. We'll also talk about some fundamentals, but mainly technically. Like the technicals right now for Ethereum are the most important. We're at a very important level. I'll tell you why exactly. It's also a very difficult level to analyze. But yeah, altogether, it's going to be an interesting episode, I think. So if we take a look at Ethereum right now, volume is probably dropping a little bit, like 10, 20%. Oh, 30%, 35 actually. Wow, all right. So yeah, volume was obviously very high because of the inflation rate and the interest rates. It actually was still, if you compare this to previous inflation rates and interest rates, this actually still is pretty low, but you know, we're in a bear market, and the bear market continues. Volume keeps dropping down. So right now, volume is at 5.3 billion, 3.4% of the market cap. It's not great, all right, but it's also not the end of the world. And as far as the price goes, yesterday we saw quite a sharp drop. Fundamentals weren't what we would like them to be, which was also seen in the Dixie, the dollar strength index, which we are negatively correlated with. That has been in a downtrend, but sometimes it does recover a little bit. I think we'll continue this downtrend either way, but yeah, I mean, some days you just have that, and if you mix a bullish day with a bullish day with the Dixie with some negative fundamentals regarding the interest rate, you get a day like this. So that is what happened. Altogether, I do think we will continue this bearish momentum. So the economic circumstances for crypto remain good, I would say. So if we then take a look at Ethereum, this was my analysis yesterday. I expected us to drop back down to this level right here, between I think I said ultimately 1275 and 1260, because that really is the major support level. There you have a lot of the strongest support levels between 1270 and 1250. Now, what I would hope, or what I hoped that we would do is that we would stay on top of this trend line. You can see that this is historically a very strong trend line. We have respected it for a very long time. We even respected it at a break retest yesterday, but right now we have dropped down below that, so we really need to zoom in. You can see that right now we're really being squeezed. We're being squeezed between this trend line again, arguably still this bullish trend line, which is yeah, it's not a great one to be squeezed within because it's a very steep one. But if you take that away, we're still being squeezed between the support level at 1260, 1250, and the resistance level, which is a trend line. So what I think is going to happen is I think we're going to find some resistance, drop back down to 1260, and I do think we're going to be able to break through that descending trend line again. So that will get up to 1300 and 1290, find resistance there, take a break retest, consolidate for a little bit, and then at some point break above 1295 and 1300 again, to kind of continue the bullish momentum. And the main reason why I think this is the most likely scenario is purely based on those fundamentals. The dollar strength index and crypto is still very correlated, and they still react to each other a lot. And as I think the dollar strength index is going to continue to fall with inflation rates that are still dropping, and interest rates where we cannot yet see something like that, but it is coming, I expect something like this to be more likely. But I do want to say that this is probably going to take some time, because like one thing is stronger than everything, and that is that crypto right now is just not very trending. We're just consolidating a lot, and if we have strong fundamentals, we move, but consolidation is really the primary state of the market right now. So that means that something like this could still take a week or something. So I do think right now, I mean, it could also be, I could be wrong, and I'm wrong if we actually find resistance here and drop down below 1250. If that happens, just so you know, then we'll take a break retest and we'll drop back down to 1220 and 1215, or 1220 and 1200. So you must know that. I think it's not the most likely scenario given the fundamentals, but if you believe the fundamentals to be different, then this might better fit your view on the market, right? So that's my take on Ethereum for today. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care, have a great day as always, and bye.